Hi, my name is Dr. Lawrence Ibe. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a lecturer at BSBI. Before I came to BSBI, I've worked for 30 years as a researcher, a consultant, and of course, as a teacher. My areas of research are on artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning. Working in such an international environment with professionals and colleagues from different fields and also from different nationalities have been quite amazing, to say the least. Regarding my experience with the students, I will also say that if I have to use one word, it's been fantastic. At BSBI, I do not only teach, I am also the coordinator of BSBI Professional Series. At BSBI Professional Series, we found out that there are very important skills that our students need to be properly positioned in the corporate world. Our primary objective is to provide a platform where our students at BSBI can be properly prepared for the professional life. I can't wait to see you on the campus.